Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. And today I discuss to the topic of importance of so social psychology. In the previous topic, I discussed the psychology, social psychology, and scope of psychology. Today, the topic is importance of social psychology. Social psychology means a science which dealing the study of human behavior, individual or a group of individual with interaction of social society. So this is called social psychology. Social psychology means the study of individual and a group of individual of a human behavior which are a social interaction with outside of the society. This study is called social psychology. And today I discuss to the scope of importance of social psychology. And the first importance of social psychology is the knowledge about human behavior. The first and important importance of the social psychology is to the knowledge about the human behavior. And human behavior is the external action and reaction of the human body. It's called human behavior. So the psychology is the study that how the individual and the group of individual will be behave with the outside of the society. So the social psychology to the study to knowledge about the human behavior, that how to react it and how to react it from of the outside of society. So this is the importance, that the knowledge about the human behaviors. The second one is the skill of socialization and personality development. Another importance of the social psychology, the skill of the socialization and how to study of socialization. Socialization is the process which the child can be birthed, and the starting of the socialization with the interaction of the social society from the ended of death, from the birth to death. This process, the person who socialized, this is called process is called socializations. And other is the personality. The personality is the positive and negative action are thinking toward the something with the society is called personality. So the importance of social psychology to the study, to the knowledge about the socialization of the humans, of individual in a group of individual, and the knowledge about the personality and how to develop the individual in a group of individual personality developed. So this is the another importance of social psychology. The other is the knowledge about feeling and thoughts. Another importance of social psychology is to the knowledge about the feeling and how the individual in a group of individual will feel about out of the society with the outside of the environment, and what are the thought of the individual in the group of individual with the external of society, external of social interaction, external of environments. So this is the another importance. Social psychology will be study that how to the individual feeling, that how to the individual thoughts about the society with the social interactions. So this is the another importance of the social psychology. As the other is the fourth one is the group formation and social interaction. Group formation and social interactions. Group formation means the different type of individual which are combined with the form of some platform. This is called group formation. The other is the social interaction. The individual will be attracted, connected with the other different individual and the base of our society. So this is the social interaction. So the social psychology, to the study, to the knowledge about the social group of information, and to the social interaction of the society of individual. So this is the another importance of the social psychology. Other is the leadership and social group. Leadership. Leadership is derived from the word of leaders. Leader is the supreme individual from of the group or the social interaction. So this is the leaders, and the leadership is the process where the leaders can be lead with the certain goal of the organization, the certain goal of a society, certain goal of individual, and the certain goal of common goal of a group. It's called leadership. Leader is a supreme authority that the individual can be lead all of the individual with the common interest, with the common goals. This is called leadership. In the social group, the individual which are combined for some common goal is called social group. The other is the other importance is the crowd behavior. Crowd behavior. Crowd behavior. Behavior is the external action reaction. In the crowd behavior, the individual which are combined together for some common interest, common goals. This is the crowd. So the behavior toward the common interest, common goal, this is the crowd behavior. So the social psychology will be study all of the crowd behaviors. The other is the stress, frustration, and tension. Stress is the level of crowd behaviors that the individual which are struggling to achieve the specific goal of the social interactions. So the stress that there are some distractions with the individual with occurring to achieving of this specific goals with the social interaction. So the level of the will be high. So this level of crowd behavior will be come to the stress. The level of individual toward a common goal, they are not achieving, there are come some problems occurrence, some hindrance. So this is the stress. Frustration is the another level of stress, that the high level of stress will be occur with the individual toward a common goal, common interest. This is called frustration. Tension is another level of the stress. So the crowd behavior is another factors, the importance that the social psychology will be determined, and the knowledge about the human behavior is the other other the other one is motivation and emotion. Importance, motivation and emotion. Motivation is the internal feeling that how the individual can motivate from of the use of some sort of products. So this is the motivation. So the motivation is also concerned with the social interactions, that how the individual can be satisfied with the social environment, with the social interaction, with the social society of the individual and the group of individual. So this is the motivation. So the psychology is also knowledge about the study of the motivation of individual and a group of individual. And other is the emotion. Emotion is also the feeling about some things positive and negative. So this is the emotion, the other importance. And the other one is the knowledge about perception and cognition. Knowledge about perception and cognition. Perception. Perception means to see or looking something, or knowledge or knowing about something. This is the perception, that how to knowing, that's to see something, and that how to knowing with the gaining of some knowledge. This is the perception. And the cognition will be the information will be gaining for the looking of some things, and they are transferable from one to the another. So this is the cognition. So the social psychology also the study of the social perception and cognition. As the other as cultural and social development. Knowledge about culture and social development. Knowledge about culture, a set of norms, value, belief. The individual in a group of individual will be perform a sum of duties. This is called culture. Culture is the set of society, set of the activities, norms, values, which are including with the individual, where they are performed with uh, some sort of performance. So this is the set of all belief norms is called culture. So the social psychology is to the importance to the study and the knowledge about the culture and to the culture development of a society. Okay, thank you. Today the topic is the importance of social psychology. Okay, thank you.